Hello everyone, in this video, I will teach you how to make themes in Roblox Studio. So watch carefully and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's start. The first thing I'll say to you, always check if the toolbox and workspace are enabled. You can enable it in view by clicking Explorer and Toolbox. So let's move on. So now we have one spawn location here. An example, we will make two teams, so we can add one. That's it. So let's move it here. Now we have two spawn location, and you will see here in workspace that we have two spawn locations. So the first one, we rename it as a blue team, and the other one is the red team. So let's change the color of the blue team by clicking the brick color here in properties, appearance. Click the medium stone gray, turn it to blue, and the other one red. So watch this carefully. This is the important thing. Go to blue team, scroll down, disable neutral, and enable the allow team change on. So team color blue, and the other one, the red team, uncheck the neutral, enabled allow team on change. So change the color to red. So the next step is go to teams here, click the plus or add icon, select team, another one because you have two teams, so the other one, then click on team. We will rename it as a blue team, team color blue. Then the other one, the red team, rename red team, change the color and red. So now we will press the start button if this works. Now you see here in the upper right, blue team is me. You will see my name. Then if I go to the red team, you will see my name in the red team. So that's it, guys. I hope you learn on how to make a teams in Roblox Studio, and I hope you enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.